morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the next topic is correlation. Dear students, in correlation we are discuss the relationship between two variables. Dear students, we will find out correlation with the help of three methods. The first one is direct method, shortcut method, or step deviation method. So dear students, today we are discuss direct method. Clear beta? See the formula of direct method. See dear students, first of all we will discuss what is correlation. Correlation is a statistical techniques which is used to measure the relationship between two variables, or there may be cause and effect relationship between the two variables. Types of correlation: positive and negative correlation. Degree of correlation: we will find out the correlation with the help of 5 degrees, positive and negative. First one is perfect correlation. When the plus 1 and minus 1, it shows the perfect correlation. It may be negative and positive is possible. High correlation, it will shows between 0.75 to 1, positive as well as negative. Moderate correlation, when the two series correlate with 0.25 to 0.75 between positive and negative, it is called moderate correlation. Low correlation, the correlation shows between 0 to 0.25 positive and negative, that's called low correlation. And no correlation or absence of correlation, when the two series is correlation between 0, that's called no correlation or absence of correlation. So dear students, we have discussed the Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation calculation method. We have three methods: direct method, shortcut method, or step deviation method. First of all, we have discussed correlation with the help of direct method. So the formula of direct method is R is equal to summation dx dy divided by under root summation dx square into summation dy square. Clear beta? Choose with the help of the question. That's your question. X series is given 65, 66, 67, again 67, 68, 69, 70 or 72. That's your Y series. And Y series, the first one is 67, 68, 65, 68, 72, again 72, 69 or 71. So dear students, first of all we will give the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. So n is equal to 8. Clear? After that we will add the whole item: 5, 6, 11, 7, 18, 25, 20, 32, 33, 33 or 9, 42 or 2, 44, 4. Carry 4, 4, 6, 10, 10, 6, 16, 16 or 6, 22, 6, 28, 34, 40, 54. That's your summation x. After that we will find out mean. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. So x bar is equal to summation x 544 n 8. So that's your x bar is equal to 68. After that we will find out dx. The formula x minus x bar. 65 minus 68 is equal to minus 3. 66 minus 68 is equal to minus 2. 67 minus 68 is equal to minus 1. 67 minus 68 is equal to minus 1. 68 minus 68 is equal to 0. 69 minus 68 is equal to plus 1. 70 minus 68 is equal to plus 2. 72 minus 68 is equal to plus 4. After that we will find out dx square. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 1 0 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Clear? So that's your summation dx square. 9, 10, 14, 15, 15 or 5, 20, 26, 2, 1, 3, 36. Clear? The same process you will apply in y series. That's your summation y, and the summation y is 5 5 2. After that we will find out y bar. The formula summation y divided by n. So y bar is equal to summation y 5 5 2 divided by n 8. So that's your y bar is equal to 69. After that we will find out dy. The formula y minus y bar. 67 minus 69 is equal to minus 2. 68 minus 69 is equal to minus 1. 65 minus 69 is equal to minus 4. 68 minus 69 is equal to minus 1. 72 minus 69 is equal to plus 3. 72 minus 69 is equal to again plus 3. 69 minus 69 is equal to 0. 71 minus 69 is equal to plus 2. After that we will find out dy square. 2 to the 4, 1, 4 4 the 16, 1, 3 3 the 9, 3 3 the 9, 0, 2 to the 4. That's your summation dy square is equal to 4 6 10, 30 31, 4 6 10, 11, 11 or 9, 30, 11 9 20, 30, 34, 4 3 1 4, 44. After that we will find out dx dy. That's a dx and that's a dy. 3 2s are 6, minus minus plus. 2 1 ja 2, minus minus plus. 4 1 ja 4, minus minus plus. 1 1 ja 1, minus minus plus. And 0 3 0, and that's your 3 1 ja 3, and that's a 2 0 0, and that's a 4 2 ja 8. Clear? Summation dx dy is equal to 6 4 10, 13, 3 16, 24. Positive. After that we will apply the formula. Correlation R is equal to summation dx dy divided by under root summation dx square into summation dy square. So R is equal to dx dy plus 24 divided by under root dx square 36 into dy square 44. So r is equal to 24 divided by 398. Multiply and after that find root. It will be equal to 39.8 and 24 divided by 39.8. So r is equal to 0.603 positive. Clear? That's your correlation. So you have a 0.63, that means high correlation. See once again, x and y series given. First of all we will find out x bar or y bar. After that we will take deviation with x bar and find the dx square, and that's your total summation dx square. Same as first of all we will summation is y. After that we will find y bar. After that take deviation with y bar, and after that we will find out dy square, and that summation dy square. The next step is dx multiply with dy, that's your dx dy, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, plus plus plus, or minus plus minus. Clear? That's your, so here is all is minus minus plus and plus plus also plus, and that's your summation dx dy, and the all values put on the formula, and that's your correlation is find out. So that's your correlation with the help of direct method. Clear beta? Find correlation with direct method. That's question number 1. X series given 278,439,65, and that's y series 7,374,658,29. Question number 2. X series 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and y series 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 or 40. Next one, question number 3, that's your x series and that's your y series. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Y series 8, 6, 4, 10, 9, 3, 11, 7, 2. Next one, question number 4. X series and y series, that's a 6, 4, 2, 8, 7, 9, 10, 12, 11, 2, 4. Y series, that's your 3, 9, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 6, 4. So dear students, you will solve all questions with the help of direct method correlation. Clear beta? And today you will prepare median and quartile. Dear students, your question paper will be objective type, so you will prepare properly, and if you have any doubt then you can take all the doubts immediately. And dear students, in 18/5/2020 I will send you the question paper objective type, and you will prepare properly and you will solve the questions in the proper order, and the question number you will mention be clearly, and you will also mention your name on your sheets. Clear beta? So today you are prepare median and quartile. Clear beta? Thank you very much.